what we're going to be doing is we got ourselves 2 sea bass. Now I'm going to make Jamaican style fish and sweet potato fries and normal fries. Now this right here, I prepared this yesterday. Alright, so what this is simple. That's your sweet potato, right? And I've literally left the skin on. I like to keep the skin on these things, yeah. And I've kept the skin on the actual normal. This is actually Morris Piper potato, yeah. Basically transferred it into a bowl, let the water completely drain off. We want these chips relatively dry. So I'm gonna season it with is just some of this, right? Just into the cavity, right? The thyme and the sweet pepper. It's a picture of a good plate of food.